intend to solve the problem as soon as possible. Our next story, a fatal stabbing.
Isn't that pretty close to us?
Yeah, I think you're right.
Make sure you be careful out there.
According to reports, the girl was identified as a student at a local high school, 17-year-old Sakura Yamauchi. Someone in the neighborhood found her lying on the street, bleeding from a deep stab wound in her chest. At the time she was found, she was unconscious
okay?
but alive.
Hey.